Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, should I will talk about ViewSonic gaming monitor with switchable refresh rate. So friends, should I will talk about ViewSonic XG275D-4K gaming monitor with a 27-inch monitor with a native 4K means UHD resolution, and it comes with switchable refresh rate at 160Hz at 4K and 320Hz at Full HD resolution. So friend, the monitor provides super smooth performance that can be customized to just any gaming need, whether it's FPS or single player games on a PC console, and the monitor can also switch to 24.1-inch view for competitive gaming. And the ViewSonic monitor with native 4K Ultra HD resolution designed for versatility with 2.1 input, and the monitor is ideal choice for multi-device setup from Xbox at Full HD and PC at 4K. And the monitor also comes with USB Type-C connector with 65-watt charging to keep other device linked while using the monitor, and the 0.5 millisecond MPRT response time and NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync premium compatibility ensure that the monitor can be used with variety of games. And the connectivity features including on the front you got a power button with a native white LED and two USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type A port and 3.5mm audio jack, and at the back the setup is just as solid with 2.1 HDMI and DisplayPort and USB Type C port that deliver up to 65 watt of power. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.